Creating beautiful and professional social media post designs on Canva is very easy and quick. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I do this in just 4 simple steps. So if you're a graphic designer or a design enthusiast, I mean somebody who wants to learn design, and you want to figure out how to make quality social media posts without following any complex or complicated process, then stay with me in this tutorial, because I'm about to show you in just 1, 2, 3, 4 steps, 4 simple steps, how I make my own social media designs. And trust me, this is a method that would work for you. It will work for anybody because it's very simple and understandable. And I'm going to be doing this on my smartphone. Yes, because you can use Canva to make designs on your smartphone. So right now I'm going to take you into my smartphone screen where I'll be showing you how to do this. Are you ready? Let us go. So here we are live in Canva, and I'm going to show you right now how you can make simple social media posts in just 4 simple steps. Are you ready? 4 simple steps. The first step is to choose your background color or determine what your background will look like. So as you can see, our background is just plain boring white. But let's choose a color. So I'm just going to click on my background and then click on color, and then I'll see a lot of default colors right here that I can pick from. But no, I don't need any of these default colors. I'm going to click on the plus sign right here, and then I'm going to create something unique. I'll click on gradient right here, and then I'm going to click on this first one and choose a different color. So I could choose let's say blue, and this second one I could still use blue but a different shade like sky blue. Boom. So now we have a beautiful background color. Step 1 completed. Now step 2 is to look for a really cool image that we can add to this background. So to do that, go to elements right here and then search for an image. So I would just say let's search for an excited black lady. Yeah, that's what we need. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this second image right here, this second image. Sorry, we need to do that again. I think I pressed the wrong button, but anyway, let's move on. So I'm going to click on okay, let's see if we could even use this image with the laptop. So here we go. So I have this image right here, and now Canva makes it really easy for you to design by removing the background of your image automatically. Now I want to use this image where it has a background. So to remove the background, simply click on BG remover. Now you have to be using Canva Pro in order for you to do this. Click on BG remover, and boom, we have our image background removed, and I can place it right here. Now we are done with step 2. Remember, step 1 is to choose a background color. Step 2 is to insert a really cool image. Yeah, that's it. But before we move on to step 3, let me quickly show you something. I have created a Canva course. So you can see I'm designing on Canva, but I want you to know I have created a Canva course where I can teach you how to design from scratch to becoming a professional. Now this course covers flyer designs, covers social media posts, covers logos, covers even motion graphics. So the point is, if you really want to learn more from me, if you really want to have access to some of my comprehensive, profound teachings, all you have to do is get the course. Use the link in the pinned comments or the link in the video description, and you will get access to the course for a very tiny fee. For less than $3, you would have access to my Canva course so that you can know how to start designing like a Pro. So now that I've said that, let us move on. So step 3 is to add your text. So click on text right here, text icon, and then click on add a heading. And then I'm just going to type in a simple text. I could say social media manager. Then I'm going to enlarge my text. Obviously, it should be bigger. Like this. And then I'm going to click on color. Let's change the color to white, obviously. And then we can change the font as well. Click on Montserrat. Change it to Montserrat. And then lastly, go to advanced. And then I'm going to reduce the line spacing and a bit of the letter spacing as well. And boom, I have this, and I'm going to place it right here. Now we're done with step 3. Now step 4 is to basically add a few other elements to make your design pop. For example, go to element and search for social media icons. Let's say 3D social media icons. So search for 3D social media icons. And then voila, would see some really cool stuff like this, as you can see. So I could use, let's say, this one. I would reduce the size. And I'm going to place it right here. Let's insert another one. So I could decide to insert let's say this one, but this one has a background, so let's erase the background. Click on BG remover, which is background remover, and voila, we have this. So I'll just reduce the size and place it maybe at the top right here. Yes, I think it's best at the top. Then this one can maybe come right here, and boom, here we go. We have our social media design. So this is how you can do it in 4 simple steps. Number 1, your background. Number 2, your image, your text, and then a few other elements to make your design pop. So if you really learned something, if you really got value from this video, make sure you subscribe, like, and share a comment. Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you are interested in my course, do not forget, it's very affordable, less than $3. Use the link in the pinned comment or in the description, and you can get access and start learning from me directly. So that's it. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.